Hello everyone, today let's introduce you the P2.5 LED module. You can see it adopts a different size for the standard size. Its size is 250 by 250. It features a pixel pitch of 2.5 millimeters. For this panel, the resolution is 100 by 100, so it's an ideal choice for close to mid-range viewing. About the brightness, it typically adopts 800 to 1000 nits brightness, so it's easy to be seen when lighting conditions. This LED module also boasts high refresh rates up to 3840 Hz to 7680 Hz to make sure the content is consistent and the color is consistent. For the video playback, ensuring free from the flickering even when captured on camera. If you are looking for a high-resolution, versatile, and impactful indoor LED display, the P2.5 indoor LED module is an ideal choice. Are you ready to enhance your events by using our indoor LED module? Contact us or visit our website today and get more information about it. Thank you for your watching.